I'm working on the strength of my knees so I can be like our good sis Megan Thee Stallion. We gonna focus? We focus? Alright. Hi, my name is Kasia and welcome back to my channel. I didn't know how I wanted to. I'm in my bathroom because that's where everything's about to go down. But I didn't know how I wanted to film this intro, but I know I could not like miss out on like showing my afro and like how my afro's looking, because it's popping today. Yeah, but today I'm just gonna show you guys how wow, that was loud. I'm just gonna show you guys how I prep my hair for protective styling. So tomorrow I am getting my hair in some twists, getting it out the way. Like, I'm sick of dealing with my hair. So I'm just gonna show you guys a little, extra bits of TLC I put into my hair care before I do any type of protective styles, especially since I have colored over top of my previously blonde hair. So you are interested in that? Thank you for watching this kind of spiel of an intro. 1 minute 24, that's not too bad. But if you guys want to see, keep on watching. Should I do the nah, that'll put a print on my lens. I'll see y'all in the next clip. Look at my nails. Look at my nails, guys. Look at my toes, guys.
And look at my toes, guys. Look at my nails, guys.
Okay, so I'm starting off this clip by rinsing out the second step of my protein treatment. I will do a video on how I do my protein treatments just so I could show you guys in detail. But I am going to be using my Denman brush, some conditioners from Carol's Daughter, Aphogee, the main choice, and of course my black castor oil. So they're basically all my go-to conditioners that I mix all together when I do a protective style, just so I could really lock in any moisture into my hair before I have it braided up for like a month and a half. So here I am just layering all of my conditioners onto my hair. So I'll be back when that's done. Alright, and this is me trying to be like, trying to be fancier than I normally am and trying to brush this conditioner through. I didn't really have to. I was just trying to be extra. In a minute, I'm gonna turn around because exactly, I'm trying to be like Jess Ridley and do them hair brushing videos, but my hair don't want to do that, so I'm just trying to brush it through. And then I will go ahead and kind of pull it up in a sense, and I will let that sit while I finish whatever else I have to do in the shower. So I will see you guys in the next clip whenever I'm done flailing, I guess. I'ma lower y'all, I promise. And I'ma zoom out. Personal space, you know? Alright, so that's my wig. I haven't named her yet. That's my wig though. So I'm gonna put my hair in the plastic cap. Ooh, I missed pieces. I think I'm gonna do 2. Yeah. One to put over my ears so I really trap all the heat in. So I'm gonna come back, and when I come back, I'm gonna have on a shirt. Whoa! Oh my gosh. I cannot. Right. So this was about to go down. This is supposed to be a tutorial. This is mad unprofessional, but it's okay. Unprofessional? Girl. My ring is back on. We can proceed. Okay, so I'm going to take this. This is really old packaging. I got this from one of my old bosses when she didn't hate me. And she gave it to me because she just hadn't used it. Like, she bought it and didn't open it. But it's a soft bonnet, like hooded dryer type thing that I use for my deep conditioning. So we're gonna pop it out. So if you can get these at Sally's. Obviously this is not gonna be the packaging, but it is still called Corel. So okay, so don't judge me. Remember, I used to dye my hair a lot. It was red, it was blonde, you know. So in order to get from red to blonde, I had to like strip my hair right. So this is what I would sit under this with like the vitamin C and stuff in my hair to strip my red, and then this happened. It's just stained, it's not dirty. So it comes with the bonnet, so this is what you put over your head, and then the hose that connects it. Then it comes with 3 temperature settings, so I believe it's cool, low, and high. And I put mine on low because low gets hot and high will burn you. So like, especially if you wear like jewelry, like I always have this necklace on, I kind of just tuck it and like put something around my neck. So like, styling. I'm just gonna put this over my head like this. I kind of push the thing behind you because obviously the cord, now that it's on my head, I'm gonna pull the string. Make sure there's a button on here and it might like pop me back in my face. That's why I'm squinting like this. Fear. It's just fear. Tighten it. And I'm going to turn it on low. And I will sit under here for a minimum of 30 minutes. And then I will be back when it's time to rinse out my hair. So I sat under my thing for like 36 minutes. And I went downstairs, I got me something to eat, so I'm full. So I'm gonna go rinse this out and I will be back to show you how I blow dry my hair. Sorry this video is like part voiceover, part talk through, but like, yeah. See you in a little bit. So this is my hair all rinsed out. It was super soft. So for my heat protectant before I blow dry, I'm taking the Silk Elements olive oil heat protecting spray, spraying that all over, then brushing it through with my Denman brush. And after I finish detangling, I'm going to split it into 4 sections. I'm going to do 2 in the back and 2 in the front. And I'm going to twist them just so they can stay separated. after I put my hair into sections, I'm going to put my blow dryer on high heat and high air because I'm a rebel and heat damage don't scare me unless it's coming from a flat iron. And I'm just going to speed through the whole blow drying process, so I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm out of here. And I'm done. I mean, a blow dry is a blow dry. A blow dry is a blow dry. My phone, sorry. It's not as straight as I want, and like my hair is extra choppy because I had my mom cut all my, not all because my ends are still kind of fried, but I had her cut a lot of my ends off. So I have these ugly choppy layers. Ooh, that only benefit my afro. This is how I prep my hair for protective styling. I just make sure I get a good protein treatment in and use hydrating products. And that's basically the key. Deep condition, and don't be afraid to use the oils. I wouldn't do it like after your hair is blow dried because that affects whatever your braider does and whatever products they use. But if you mix like heavy amounts like oils in your conditioner or something, it'll penetrate in your hair and then boom. So you know, life hack. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And you can subscribe to my channel if you want. It is 12:04. I'm tired. I have to drive to Maryland in the morning. So sorry, energy's kind of low. And plus, I'm not as cute as I thought I was going to be with this blowout because I thought I was going to get on my Snapchat and my Instagram stories and be like, but I'm not because these layers aren't cute. But anyways, if you want to connect with me, my social medias are already here. You can follow me on those. And I thank you guys again for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Working on the strength of my knees. Because at work, I gotta bend down and stuff all the time. So I basically squat down and I'll hold it. No matter what. No matter how tired or how much they burn, I hold it. Period poo. Period poo. Alright. Let's do it. Let's do it. Talking. Oh. Okay. Pajama shirt at. Say hi to Whitney. Don't make me close one with all. You break down my walls with the strength of your love. I need to stop playing.